What is going on, everybody? I'm going to be making a video for my weekly outlook and also my weekly recap. I'm going to be putting both the videos into one, so I'm going to have to post so many videos per week, so I'm only doing 2 videos per week. Also be doing my trade breakdowns. Fortunately, I did not take a trade last week, so that's why I didn't post a video, but hopefully this week we can take some trades. Going on GJ here from last week. Looking at a little bit of a pullback from this wick here. The week before we did have a big bullish move, so I'm expecting pullbacks on the daily and the 4-hour time frame, touching this H4 support zone. This is my highest probability of a trade. We can also see a reversal right here. You can probably catch it on an intraday level. I'm more of a H4 trader, so beyond that I take a H4 engulfing, go down to a lower time frame, catch the engulfing on the 30-minute, and then catch it all the way up to the H4 highs. That's basically kind of my mindset going behind each trade. Going on to gold here, we do see a pretty big weekly bearish candlestick breaking these lows, also breaking July's lows with weekly supply and demand. We can see price come up here, break these highs on the H4 time frame. That's where I put this little path arrow here, waiting to break these highs, retesting here, and then taking it up to this H4 resistance. Or it breaks these lows here, retest, goes down even more to 1868. For GU, looks like it's holding a pretty strong support here. We have resistance, support, 1, 2, 3 wicks supporting this, especially on July's lows. I want to see price break these last highs, retesting and taking it up here. I don't think it's going to be early in the week, probably near the second half. Most likely I want to see price come down to this level, see another engulfing, take it back up to these highs since it's ranging in the zone. Ultimately, I do want to see GU come out of this range so we can see some market movement. I don't really feel comfortable bouncing back and forth, taking trades within there. With this one here, breaking these lows, retesting, and taking all the way down here. That's kind of an ideal trade for me, but these possibilities can happen too. Looking at EU, I'm not looking to take a trade on EU this week either. I'm more looking at just analyzing it, as I said last week. But if you guys do want to take my analysis into your own hands, that would be good too. So going on H4, I want to see it break these lows, retest, taking out into this daily. I want to see it break these highs as well, retesting and taking it up here. So ultimately, looking at how I kind of trade, I do wait for major levels of resistance or support being broken, retested, and then take it to the next zone. I do have a note up here. It does say it's not where or when, or it's not what or when, it's where. And I take that and with my trading plan almost every day, because market can be in the middle of a range, and if you're taking trades in the middle of a range, it can go either way. If you see price have pivotal moments in these zones, there's a higher probability that a trade will go into your favor. So trend is your friend. I hope you guys take that advice and run with it. Other than that, I do have a short analysis type of week. My mid analysis video on Wednesday will probably be more in depth. Just the market's not in a good place right now for me to take trades. If you guys have any ideas for other pairs you guys want me to break down, I could do those as well. But other than that, these are what I'm looking at, and hopefully we can take some trades this week. Please leave comments below for some feedback on how I can improve these videos, what I can talk about, and what your guys' thoughts are. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good trading week once again, and stay blue.